Lesson 15 and 16. Lessons 15 goes into WordArt, in which it creates a graphic from text. You have used it in some exercises and projects now. You can create and format text to WordArt. Okay. If I select this text I want to become WordArt, for an example, and I go to my Format tab that comes up, since we're in a placeholder. If I click more on the WordArt styles, okay, I can select either one, and then my text then becomes into WordArt. I can on my own, let me just enter a new slide. If I go to the Insert tab in my text group, I can insert WordArt on its own. So I can either convert to text, or I can insert WordArt. It comes up with the same format, with this tab I should say, with the same ribbon as pictures and placeholders. Okay. With WordArt, a few things that are a little different from pictures and placeholders. In my text effects, they have the transform option, in which you can transform your text how you want. Okay, and then by grabbing the pink diamond, I can kind of make smaller or make a little bigger. Let me pick a different transform. Okay, by picking my pink diamond that doesn't come up in most pictures, I can make very small, or I can make larger, kind of transform my text as I want. Takes some getting used to with the pink diamond, depending on what transform you use. Lesson 16, let me get rid of this, talks about SmartArt. SmartArt, it allows you to place text in graphical containers. Very good visual when presenting. For an example, let me go to my school. I'm going to delete these pictures just so I can clean up some space. Just like WordArt, I can convert text, specifically a bullet list, into SmartArt. If I click and drag, or we know the shortcut is Control A. Alright. In my Home tab, in my paragraph group, I can convert to WordArt, convert to SmartArt here. I apologize. Or if I right click, I can convert to SmartArt. Then I can pick which one I would like. And then it becomes a graphical, puts the text in a graphical container, as you see here. I can also, on my own, in a separate slide, if I go to Insert in my Illustrations group, SmartArt, right, and select whichever one I would like. Let's go here. Okay. As you can see, I can insert my text here how I would like. I can add bullets to my shapes. Okay, I can promote and demote and make more shapes. There's also on my, you cannot see, but on 2010, you can add shapes and delete shapes. Okay, if I want to get rid of shapes, I can. I can also change the different layouts, depending on what works best for me. Let me go back to my original example. Okay. With SmartArt, you do get two different tabs, the SmartArt Tools Design and our Format. I was in our Design tab earlier, changing our layouts however I prefer. I can change colors, and if you can see below, the John F. Kennedy High School is changing colors. And I can also change the style how I want. If I want to add some 3D effects to it, as you can see here. There are two options that I'll show you in class because I'm working with 2007 as compared to 2010. With the Format tab, and I have my SmartArt selected, I can make, if I hold Shift and I select all, I can make them all larger or smaller. By going to my Shapes group, I can also change my shape styles, fill, outline, effects, just like a picture or placeholder. This is all things that we know. So that is our SmartArt. And then lastly, which we will show in class, the creation of photo albums. Now you can create a photo album on PowerPoint for you to display.